I believe that blockchain is the revolution. And so I just thought, I'm going to let these guys guide me through on everything. I'm just going to dissect and study what they say. I pulled out $12,500 from my retirement. Today, I've got $117,833 there. I've got my onboard account, 17,290.
Guys, you won't lose money at sniper school. In fact, you'll join thousands of other students that used to lose money, but now know how to make money in a bull market and in a bear market.
Before sniper school, I was just a regular dude, 9-to-5 type guy. I worked construction, throwing money into tokens that I had no idea what they did. And then when everything tanked, I felt like I needed to really learn because I needed to redeem myself for telling everybody to invest in something that I had no idea what it was. In a world of BitBoys and this and flashy and this and that information, I got wrecked on Wonderland. I got wrecked on the 𝗏𝗏𝗍. I got wrecked on every NFT that I ever bought went to zero. Anything that I bought, it went immediately just down. And I had no idea why. My daughter's mother died and she died struggling financially. I would just sit here, right here, and she would watch movies and I would just study and trade because I had to be with her. I knew that creating a better life was possible. I knew that in this field, I could provide a life beyond my imagination and beyond what I could currently provide, doing something that I could love to do. I could wake up for passion, not for a paycheck. I just felt like in this, doing this, I can wake up and do what I want and not have to drag myself to a job where I have to actually just like drink 40 ounces of coffee just to be motivated enough to make it through the day. You know, I'm up checking charts in the middle of the night just because I love this shit. What brought me on was Sheldon. He was just an original dude. And I think that he wants me to win and he genuinely wants to teach me. And then Mama Sniper and Sheldon, the team, I was like, these people are genuine. These people are real. This is who I want to learn from. And I figured out what type of investor I am. I'm a long-term investor and I like to trade off the 4-hour chart. Before that, I couldn't tell you what a Fibonacci level was or what a RSI or what indicators. I had no fucking clue, man. What I realized and something that Sheldon said, being a sniper and being profitable in crypto and being a good trader is more about self-mastery than it is about figuring out which indicators work on the chart. I discovered early on, like, oh, these guys are like, you know, this is a lot about controlling emotions, proper risk management, you know, it was like, and that stuff bled over to like, even like my personal relationships. If you look at the course, only one part of it is really the technicals of it. Like a huge portion of it is mindset. I think it was somebody who said on live, he said, you know, we're not trading these assets. We're trading human emotion. That's really what we're betting on. We're betting on human emotion. And with proper risk management, we don't have to get emotional about it. The school was great. It was great because I could do it at my pace and I could do it anywhere. And I could watch it over and over and over again. And then it had those brief questions at the end where it just kind of summed up. And that's a chance for you to reflect, because crypto for me was always a source of pain. But with school, I had a proper reflection process. And so now it's like pain with proper reflection equals profound knowledge. But pain without any reflective process is just more pain. I love what I do. And I don't get exhausted. I don't get tired because I love it. You know, if I've already built 10x and built over 100 grand in the bear market, when the bull hits, I might be able to be in a position where I can give back and do a little something and buy a little house outright and a little nonprofit, you know, I'll call it the Banter house, and just have single mothers where they can have a chance to somewhere where they can go and maybe even learn this skill. You know, I think BlackRock manages my retirement. And the funny thing is now they want to invest in what I have been investing in. I would put in just like a couple $100 a week. Before I'm investing in me in the future, but now I'm investing in me right now. And now I'm actually able to pay myself a little bit. My daughter goes to a private school. And so I pay a little bit of a portion of her private school with profits. And I think the only reason why I've been able to get so much is because I keep on reinvesting in myself. What Sheldon taught me was I have to allocate that money into the proper channels, because I can't just get everything and then just keep on going high leverage, because I'm not going to win all the time. There's going to come a time where I'm going to lose. And if I get too confident, it's almost good that I lose trades, because then I get the reality check and I get humbled. The market will humble you. It just changes your whole perspective. It's like putting on glasses. Like oh man, I can see things so clearly now. So yeah, it's been an amazing experience, man. I think that Sniper School provides the knowledge for you to take control of your financial future. It will teach you how to look at money, how to manage money, how to grow money, how to grow wealth. And then they provide a good example of to be when you get there. Because crypto it can get you rich, but being a humble and good person will keep you rich, right? And so I think everything is there in the schooling, and not only in the schooling, in the community after the schooling, you have long-term support. She's 9 years old. Her mom passed away 4 days before her 9th birthday. Yeah, she was facing eviction, and I was just starting to get money. And my biggest regret was that I had the money. I had the money to give to her. And she was like, no. And I could have easily have given her $5,000 and just, I mean, she was already getting kicked out of that spot. And she had 3 other children. And it's like my biggest motivation is to do something, because I can never pay that back now. You know what I mean? And it kills me that I can never go back and just say, it was just money. It was just some fucking money. And so now I'm like, I have to do something perpetually to move forward, to help other mothers who might be in that same position. And, it's a tricky thing, because it's like, crypto's not for everyone. I try to show some people, and then they just start tuning out, and they're like, no, but I'm like, look at this. Look how it's bouncing right up to 618 fib. Isn't this amazing? Like, and they're like, what? And I'm like, okay, it's not for everyone. I just love this. And, I wish she could have just a spot where they could come and relax and go, hey, you want to learn something that could change your life? Come sit down on this laptop and watch this 7-minute thing with this guy who's like super real. Anybody who's in pain financially, pain with proper reflection is progress. And if you're in financial pain right now, I think that Sniper School and the Sniper team and the Banter team can provide you with the knowledge to progress. I'm planning my retirement now. Before I would pay someone to map out my retirement, I have no idea who they are, and they're doing better than I am with the fraction that I give them every week. So if you can turn $1 into $2, you can turn that into 4, and then you can turn that into 8, and you can just have exponential returns. You will get out of Sniper School what you put into it. If you're hurting and if you're in pain, you can turn that pain into profit. Your future is yours. Like, if you choose to have the proper teacher and the right knowledge, the future is yours. It's right here. It's right here. And if it's not right here, prove me wrong, and I'll pay you out myself. Like, I'll pay you out myself. If you come in here and you lose your $200, send me your ETH address and I will provide you with that $200. And tell me you didn't learn something. Tell me you didn't learn something amazing through the process of losing that.
And if you've been sitting on the sidelines waiting to join Sniper School and contemplating, this may be the last free Sniper School that we're doing. So there's no better time to sign up than now. Sign up now. I'll see you at Sniper School. Join us, build a network for life, and join the Banter family.